Here I have logged BLACKVIEW BV9000 and let me show you how to hard reset the following device, how to bypass the pattern, the pin code. So at the very beginning you have to switch off the device, tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds, maybe a bit longer, and then select power off icon. Confirm that you want to shut down the phone by tapping on OK. Now wait until you hear some kind of sound or the vibration. Accordingly, if you have sound on your device. And now we will enter the recovery mode. So at first you have to tap on the power key and volume up key. Just hold them for about 4 seconds. And now we are in boot mode. Here we can navigate by tapping on volume up key and select each option by tapping on volume down key. So here we are interested in recovery mode, so let me pick the first option. Once we see the robot, the green robot, just tap on, keep pressing volume up key and then tap on power key. And now we are in recovery mode, from which we can select wipe data, so we can perform a factory reset. Here we can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys. So let me go to wipe data, factory reset, and then select this option by tapping on power key. Now you have to select yes, so let's go to yes. This operation will delete all the user data, so just be aware of that fact, confirm it, and now wait a short while until it's done. So as you can see, data wipe complete, and now we can reboot the system. So let me pick the first option, just tap on power key. And that's it. Now you can set up your device from the scratch. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.